Picture this. It's a freezing winter morning, and you're already running late for work. You make your way outside to your car, only to find it covered in a layer of ice and snow. You scrape away at the windshield, but you can't seem to get rid of all the frost, and your defroster just isn't cutting it. You start to panic, wondering if you'll ever make it to work on time. We've all been there. But what if I told you there are ways to avoid this frustrating and time-consuming ordeal altogether? With the right knowledge and preparation, you can ensure your car is ready for whatever winter throws your way. That's why in this video, in Car Computer Exchange, we're going to show you the top 10 ways to prep your car for winter. From camping trips to winter storms, we've got you covered. So, grab a hot cup of cocoa, sit back, and get ready to make winter driving a breeze. These tips will not only help you drive safely during the winter, but also ensure that your car is in good condition throughout the season. So make sure you follow them and enjoy a stress-free winter driving experience. Check your battery and make sure it's fresh, as cold weather can be hard on batteries. The last thing you want is to be stranded in the cold because your car won't start. Check the battery's age and consider replacing it if it's more than 3 years old. Also, have a professional test your battery's cold cranking amps, which indicate how well it can start in cold temperatures. A weak battery may not provide enough power to start your car in freezing temperatures. It's important to keep in mind that extreme cold weather can also affect other components of your car, such as oil and transmission fluid. It's a good idea to have these fluids checked and changed if necessary before winter sets in. Check and top off all your car's fluids, such as oil, coolant, and wiper fluid. These fluids play a vital role in keeping your car running smoothly in winter conditions. Cold temperatures can cause fluids to thicken, making them less effective. Check your owner's manual to determine the recommended level for each fluid and top them off if necessary. Consider using a winter-grade oil with a lower viscosity to improve engine performance in cold temperatures. It is important to regularly check the condition of your vehicle's fluids, such as brake fluid and transmission fluid, to ensure they are not contaminated or degraded. Additionally, scheduling routine maintenance with a certified mechanic can help prevent costly repairs down the road. Check your wiper blades and make sure they are not worn out to properly clean off road grime, chemicals, and salt from your windshield. Worn-out wiper blades can leave streaks on your windshield, reducing visibility in adverse weather conditions. If your wiper blades are more than 6 months old or are showing signs of wear, it's time to replace them. Also, fill your windshield wiper fluid reservoir with a winter-grade solution that won't freeze in cold temperatures. Proper maintenance of your wiper blades and fluid reservoir will ensure clear visibility during winter weather conditions, which is crucial for safe driving. Neglecting these simple tasks can lead to reduced visibility and increase the risk of accidents. Consider switching to winter tires, as they offer more grip in cold, snowy, and icy conditions than all-season tires. Winter tires have deeper treads and softer rubber compounds that provide better traction and help in lower temperatures. They also have tiny slits, called sipes, that enhance grip on snow and ice. If you live in an area with heavy snowfall or icy conditions, investing in winter tires can improve your safety on the road. Winter tires are specifically designed to perform better in cold temperatures, which means they will provide better traction and handling in winter conditions. It's important to remember that even with winter tires, it's still important to drive with caution in snowy and icy conditions. Check your tire pressure and make sure they are set to the recommended factory level. Cold weather can cause a drop in tire pressure, which can affect traction, handling, and fuel efficiency. Use a tire pressure gauge to check your tire's pressure and adjust them to the recommended level. Keep in mind that overinflated or underinflated tires can wear unevenly and reduce their lifespan. It is recommended to check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Properly inflated tires can also improve fuel efficiency and overall vehicle performance. What do you think of the video so far? Let us know in the comment section below. Hopefully, you're enjoying the content. If you want more videos like this one, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. Check your tire depth and replace your tires if they are too worn out for good grip on snow and ice. Winter driving can be treacherous, especially if your tires are balding. To check if your tires have enough tread depth, insert a penny into the grooves of your tire with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it's time to get new tires. Don't wait until you're slipping and sliding on icy roads to take action. Worn out tires can reduce the vehicle's traction, which can lead to dangerous situations. It is important to check your tires regularly and replace them before they become a safety hazard. Get any major service or projects done before winter hits to avoid working on your car in the colder weather. No one likes to work on their car in the freezing cold, so it's best to give any major service or projects done before the winter months hit. Take your car to a mechanic and have them check the batteries, brakes, and heating system to ensure everything is working correctly. You don't want to be stranded on the side of the road in the middle of a snowstorm with a broken down car. Regular maintenance of your car is crucial to prevent unexpected breakdowns and ensure your safety on the road. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule a checkup with a trusted mechanic today. Make sure your car has a good emergency kit, including items such as blankets, flashlights, and a first aid kit. It's always a good idea to prepare for the worst case scenario. You never know when you might get stuck in a snowdrift or stranded on the side of the road during a winter storm. Make sure your car has a good emergency kit with items such as blankets, flashlights, and a first aid kit. It's better to be safe than sorry. Additionally, it is important to regularly check your car's tires, brakes, and fluids to ensure they are in a good working condition to prevent any unexpected breakdowns or accidents on the road. Taking these precautions can help keep you and your passengers safe while driving. Keep a shovel in your vehicle in case you become snowbound. If you live in an area with heavy snowfall, you know how frustrating it can be to get stuck in a snowdrift. That's why it's essential to keep a shovel in your car to dig yourself out if needed. You can also use the shovel to clear snow away from your tires and undercarriage to prevent getting stuck in the first place. Additionally, it's important to keep a bag of sand or kitty litter in your car to sprinkle under your tires for extra traction. It's also a good idea to have blankets and extra warm clothing in case you get stranded and need to stay warm. Consider using rust inhibitor to prevent rust from building up on your car during the winter months. Winter roads are often covered in salt and other chemicals to melt the snow and ice. While these substances are helpful for safe driving, they can also be damaging to your car's metal parts. Consider using a rust inhibitor to prevent rust from building on your car during the winter months. This will help keep your car looking good and running smoothly for years to come. Rust inhibitors work by forming a protective barrier between the metal and the elements, preventing rust from forming. It is a simple and cost-effective way to extend the lifespan of your vehicle and maintain its resale value. There you have it. These are the 10 essential things you need to do to get your car ready for the winter season. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a beginner, these tips will help ensure your safety on the road during the colder months. Don't forget to check your tires, battery, fluids, and emergency supplies, and consider switching to winter tires and using a rust inhibitor. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So take the necessary steps to prepare your car for winter and make sure you're ready for whatever the season brings. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining content. Thanks for watching Car Computer Exchange, and drive safe out there.